Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, I have something that's so fancy it'll cost you 6 months of your salary. Is enough to pay for your dowry and you might have to sell your other kidney. I have a laptop that costs more than a car. So what we have here is the MSI GT Titan laptop. It is not Attack on Titan, so you can calm your sword down. Mikasa is Tsukasa. Let's open it up and let's take out the laptop box. Wait, why got more box inside one? Always like that. Always more and more box. But this box will hold all the accessories. This is the plug that comes with 2 power bricks, I think. Why do we need 2 power bricks? Because 2 is always better than 1. You see, if you add Goku and Vegeta, you get Vegito. If you add War Greymon and Metal Garurumon, you get Omnimon. Even Kirito used 2 swords. Dual wielding, bro. That's the game. 2 is better than 1. There are 230 watt bricks each for a total of 460 watts. Kono power is necessary to power the full-size Z390 motherboard and the i9-9900K, which is an overclockable processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, bro. Its power level is over 9,000, bro. They also give you free stuff. This is a free mouse. Why is mouse so good? Because without mouse, you will not have Avengers Endgame, bro. Next, let's move on to the cables. You have 2 power bricks, so you need 2 cables. And with these 2 cables on your table, you are able to get a stable connection, perfection, misdirection, because I ran out of words and breath. Anyways, let's move on to something more fun now. Jay, I don't know what's going on. Why you need to cut this? It's the instructions manual. I'm gonna fast forward through all these lah. It's just instruction manual lah. You have the F3 hotkey recovery guide lah. And then you have the limited warranty card. That one you keep, that one you keep, that one you keep. Put it back. Huh? And then you also have the warranty service book. That one you also keep. You don't keep, then your mother will scold you. Okay? Huh? And please don't be like Jay and throw this box away like it's your future. Anyways, let's take out the main event. A lot of you will be asking me, why do you even need a 20,000 ringgit laptop? I see much salt incoming. MSI. And you will say that this is a major self-indulgence. MSI. But I got money I like, cannot meh? So let's open this. As you guys can see, this thing is so powerful and so thick that you'll need to double bag it so that the power don't leak out. This thing is only 4.2 kilo, it's not that heavy lah, but if you're weak, then you should go to the gym. You will see that this laptop is so solid and well built. It's like the armored Titan, and you'll make a hole in your wall. As you can see the back, you can see all the vents is necessary, and you can see the heat pipes and the MSI cooler boost with 4 fans. This is necessary because this laptop has a full-size NVIDIA RTX 2080 with 8GB of GDDR6 for the 6th laptop in the world. Speaking of 6, this laptop has 64GB of DDR4 RAM rated at 2666 MHz. It is undeniable that this laptop has so much 6 appeal that you can even edit 4K videos. And speaking of 4K videos, this laptop comes with a 4K IPS panel with 60Hz refresh rate. But you can also swap it out for a 1080p 144Hz or 240Hz refresh rate monitor if you are a serious gamer like me. You can also see the drive indicator and let you know that your drive is working fine. Also, you can see the WLAN, which is the Wi-Fi indicator. In case you haven't been paying attention, this is the MSI GT76 Titan DT9SG, priced at 20,999 ringgit. For all you RGB lovers out there, we have the perky RGB gaming keyboard by SteelSeries, so you can change all the keys to different colors. And the RGB even surrounds the laptop with accent lighting to set the mood. For audio, you have the world-class Dyna audio sound system with a subwoofer at the bottom, so you can get all that bass, because it's all about the bass. With this laptop, you get a 1TB NVMe SSD and a 1TB HDD, but there are upgrade options. What's more, you can even upgrade this to 128GB of RAM because it comes with 4 DIMM slots. In terms of connectivity, on one side you have the power cable, the Ethernet cable, one Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 2 that is also a DisplayPort and is compatible with Thunderbolt 3, 2 Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2, and the headphone and mic jack. You know the USB 3.2 can go how fast? It can go 20 gigabits per second, but the Thunderbolt 3 is even more geng chao. On the other side, you have the micro SD card reader, 2 more Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1 more Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 2, a mini DisplayPort and a full-size HDMI port. And if you like to play games with your friends and go to a LAN party, this has a killer DOUBLESHOT PRO 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet and the killer Wi-Fi 6 Wi-Fi card, bro. This has got to be one of the most impressive networking specs in a laptop I've ever seen in my life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow us on Facebook and YouTube. And if you want to see more expensive things like this, leave a comment down below. Let us know what kind of stuff do you want us to punbox next. And I'll see you in the next one.